Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO 9 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the SUUNTO application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, you should see the home screen or home page. Now tap on the watch icon at the top of the screen to open the device page, basically, for your SUUNTO 9. As you can see, if you don't have required permissions enabled, you will see these notifications at the top. So we want to enable the notifications, so let's tap on enable. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications. Here find the SUUNTO application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then go back to the app. If you see more pop-ups about the permissions, allow them, like that. And once the watch is connected with the app, you can scroll down, and here you can tap on notifications on watch. And here we can manage some settings. We can turn on and turn off the notifications. We can tap on application notifications, and here we can enable and disable notifications for specific apps, as you can see. Basically how it works is, if you enable the notifications for the app and you receive the notification from the app you enable the notifications for, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. And this list is quite short, but I believe it will fill in automatically later on once you use your phone after you install the app. We have also call notifications. We can turn them on and off, messages, and also the quick replies. You can edit the quick replies if you want to. And once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and let's see if it's working, because the Discord was not on the list, so I wonder if it's gonna work right here. So let's try to send the message. No, we got the notification on our phone. We can tap on it. Let's check. As you can see on the watch, we didn't get any, but let's check the app. Discord didn't appear again. Oh, but this time we got it. So basically, we had to close the app and resync the watch with our app. And after it resynced, the settings are applied. So let's wait until it's done syncing completely. And then let's check the notifications on watch options, or the other menu. So let's tap on notifications on watch, applications, notifications. And as you can see, Discord appear here. So basically how it works is, you need to receive the notification from the app after your watch is paired with your phone, and once you receive the notification, the app will be added to this list, basically. Okay, so that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.